Hello guys, we are in an X3 right now, and I want to take off the passenger and the driver front seat in my car, and for this it's very easy. I want to do a cleaning because it looks like after a war. First I need to push the seat straight back. Okay, now we have these clips, one here, one there, just a screwdriver, a flat one. Take this plastic off. Okay, here is another one. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this wrench. It's a 5x8, also it's 16 millimeters. Okay, and after I'll do my hand, this side same. Okay, it's loose. Take it out. Need more. No big deal. It looks so nasty. I wanted a long time ago to do this kind of cleaning, but I know I have the time and the weather is nice. Okay, and also is a wire here I'm gonna do later. This one is the main wire what controls the seat. Now we need to push straight forward and do the same thing in the back. Okay, and here is the seat belt. I don't wanna mess the seat belt. I just wanna move it seat a little more and do nice cleaning. Okay, here need to push more. It's more strong here, but it's okay, we can do it. I need to use both hands here. Actually no, I was able to do it. Okay, one more on this side. Okay, now it looks like it's corroded a little. I'm gonna do good cleaning after this here. Okay, and here is one more here. Okay, here is 2 screws, and now I'm gonna push this seat maximum in this position to have more room. I'm gonna push back to be on level here. Okay, it's good. And now guys, before I disconnect this wire, I'm gonna take off the battery. Because this car have an airbag inside, both sides, and I don't wanna do a problem. And for my safety, I'm gonna disconnect the battery, leave 1 hour, and after take the seats. The seats is up and running, but before I disconnect that wire right there, what controls the seat, I'm gonna disconnect the battery and leave for 1 hour. My battery is actually in back, and I'm gonna disconnect the plus. Usually most of the cars gonna have this cover, it says your plus, and you're gonna know where it is. Now use the 10 millimeters. Wow, look at this battery is from 15. Right now it's 22. It's 7 years. Wow, it's a really good battery. I'm glad. And it's still working good. Okay, make sure it's in a safe place. It's not contact with your. Let's put this for protection. Okay, now we're gonna look for 1 hour, and after we're back and do it later. Okay, I'm back. 1 hour left, and I disconnect the connection right here. Pretty easy. Just take off this on the right side. This connection is coming out. Okay, it's been said. Let's remove this steer. Wow, look how much nasty. Yeah, I really was needed a good cleaning, and now I have a time, and I'm gonna do it my best. Okay, I just need to remove because I don't want to disconnect the seat belt. It's too much here. Anyway, I don't want to move so far. Let's do it. Okay, I put the seat back, and now I want to do my own test. The seats look very good, but I still can see some dirty things, and yeah, I want to see my own difference. I have two things. This is lever cleaner and this is conditioner. First I'm gonna use this one, do a better cleaning, and after we're gonna use this one. And I'm gonna do this way. Let's see with our eyes if it's gonna be a difference or not. Alright, after I did a couple times, let's see the difference. Let's look one more time. When you look, it's almost the same, but let's see. You can see it. It's more white than that side. Yeah, my seats were not so bad, but it's a small difference, and I want to do it for all of this. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's see how it's looking. I don't see any scratch. Looks perfect. Even the doors. My car is looks like new again. Nice. Good job.